Video lighting is more important to producing a quality image than what camera you use. In this video, we'll go over how you can use soft light to improve your video while filming yourself or other people. Hard and soft are two terms used to describe the quality of light. Hard light creates shadows with well-defined edges, while soft light creates a smooth gradient when transitioning to the shadows. In general, soft light is considered more flattering on people. The softness or hardness of a light is determined by how large the light source is relative to the subject. The larger the light source is relative to the subject, the softer the light will be. And the smaller the light source is relative to the subject, the harder the light will be. However, relative is the key word here. The sun is enormous, but is considered a hard light. That is because relative to us, it appears small in the sky. We'll go over two simple ways to achieve soft light. The first way is to film in front of a window. The window acts as a large light source powered by the natural ambient light outside. However, this doesn't work if the sun is shining directly through. The second way is to buy a softbox. These create soft lighting by shining the light source through a large piece of diffusion material. They work well if you don't have natural light, or if you need even more light to brighten the scene. Using a soft light is a great starting point for improving your video quality. If you have any other questions about lighting, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.